Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to True North Cafe. I always say good morning, but what if you watch this in the afternoon? It's not really morning, you know, so people are like, wait a sec, it's not morning, dude. Hey, this week we made hash brown omelets. I've already got this one half ate, and let me tell you, they are delicious. If you guys want to know how to make these, come along, I'll show you. I learned how to make this, oh boy. So I was probably 14 or 15, and I used to work at a local cafe or a local restaurant, and I used to dishwash there. I used to ride my bike into town and dishwash. Well, one day they were short-handed. One of the cooks had called in. I was over there dishwashing, and they said, "Hey, Jana, what's your up?" So guess what? I literally stood in front of this flat-top grill, made these all morning long, over and over and over again. So I got pretty good at it. I made probably a million of them. Not really, but a lot of them. It's very simple. Hash browns. I like veggies and peppers in mine. The meat, any type of meat. Bacon, sausage. We like ham in ours. We just got some butter for the sauteing this stuff and for the hash browns. I got about 5 eggs here. There is no perfect recipe to this. Same with the cheese. The cheese is however you guys want to go about it. We like the Kraft singles. The cheap cheese makes great omelets. I just don't know how to say it any better than that, because it does, and I think it's better. But a lot of people, I get a little bit of grief, a lot of people like to use good quality cheese, and that's just fine. On a burger, I'm all about it, but on a hash brown omelet, gotta have the Kraft singles. Gotta, it's a must. Anyhow, without holding anything else up, let's get to cooking. First step, let's get some butter down. Quite a bit of butter actually, because we're gonna be really rocking this stuff. Lots of butter. Lots of butter. Get that all melted up here. I like cooking my hash browns on around medium heat. So medium heat, that's what I start my hash browns out with. And go ahead and toss your hash browns in all that butter. Kind of just like last weekend, except a whole lot fancier hash browns. That should be good. Tell you, if you're running a Blackstone, you're gonna go through a lot of paper towels. And I just mixed the hash browns up real good. Get all that butter incorporated in with those hash browns. Key to cooking hash browns, butter and patience. When I'm making the hash brown omelets, I like to make it pretty thin layer of hash browns. Because you got to incorporate your eggs into the hash brown mix, and if they're too thick, you're going to have a hard time cooking them. I like to make these nice and square to make them in a little bit more manageable pieces. Okay, something just like that, guys. Nice and square. Now, just let them sit there. Be patient, let them brown up. Before you add the egg, the hash brown's got to be 95% cooked, I'd say. So I'm gonna throw a little bit more butter down and saute those veggies. Give the veggies a saute. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh man, I cannot wait till they make smell-o-vision. You guys, it smells so good. I like to season my hash browns at this point, and I'm gonna use Mad seasoning. Make a difference. This stuff is so good. Follow him on TikTok. He makes killer outdoor cooking videos over campfires, and he's a pretty cool dude. Throw my pan down, get that rocking and rolling. Oh, them vegetables looking good. Get nice and sauteed up in the corners. Ham's looking good. I like getting a little, can you guys see that? Little brown on my ham. Little sizzle on the ham. Little sizzle. So I'm gonna take some B-roll of, feel nice and golden brown. The edges are starting to get. That's how you know you're gonna start to get close on the hash browns. Okay guys, I think we're ready to add the egg. My hash browns are pretty much 100% done, like 95% done. I'm gonna add some egg. All I'm gonna do is scramble it up real good and dump her on. Just like so. Okay. that, work the egg into the hash brown. Just like that. And I'm gonna add my cheese. There's so much heat going on in those hash browns that egg is gonna cook through from underneath. Especially once you fold over the hash brown, it's gonna cook inside there. A lot of people go a little too long at this point because they're concerned about the egg not being done because it looks runny at this point. But once you fold it all together, it's gonna get nice and cooked because of how hot the hash browns, your ham, everything that you're adding inside of it. So you'll be all set. And you're gonna put a little sprinkle of ham all the way across. Ooh, man, does that look good, eh? Keep it going, keep it going. Let's add some of these nice sauteed veggies. How's that look, guys? How does that look? How they look, guys. Okay, nice and chopped. All I gotta do is fold them over. Boom. There's one. Boom. There's two. Done deal. What do you guys think about that? That is a situation right there. Elijah's hot sauce. The stuff is so good. This stuff is the roasted pepper. And I like that. I got the kit. And the kit comes with pineapple mango, Reaper sauce, ghost pepper sauce, and regret. I don't know if I ever tried the regret, but I might get brave enough to try this ghost pepper sauce. And that pineapple one, definitely gonna be trying that. All right, let's add a little bit of this hot sauce. Give her a shot. This is probably gonna be hot. Cheers. Woo! Hot. That one's hot. Woo. Wow. Woo! I should probably be more patient. Wow. Wow, is that good, guys? I hope you guys use this recipe. I bet your family will love it. I know our family loves it. This would be a great camping recipe or Super Bowl morning. Make these bad boys. Get ready for the Super Bowl. This would be a perfect way to cook or a perfect breakfast.